day trading this morning. At one point, I was down $2,000. Legit, I was down $2,000 for about a split second. For one split second, I was down $2,000. I was able to come back. You'll see all the trades. At one point, I was down $700. I was able to fight my way back, basically break even on the day with my P&L, and then commissions and fees, I might be a little red, but still, going from being down $2,000 at one point to only being down, $100 after commissions and fees, I can handle that. I can take that. You'll see kind of what went down in the video and how it all went, and I'll explain it better in the video. You guys, one thing I want to talk about really quickly is if I'm going to make more money, if I'm going to have larger profit days, I've got to risk more capital. So, if I want to have a $1,000 day, I've got to risk $500. Obviously, I'm not trying to risk $2,000 when I'm only trying to get $1,000. But if I'm going to size up, if I'm going to start sizing up here, 2,000, 3,000 shares, there's a chance that I might get squeezed. There's a chance that I might lose. So that's just part of it, bigger reward, bigger risk. That's just part of it. If I want to make more money, I've got to risk more money. And I can't, keep playing with small share size, hoping for large winners. I might get 30, 40 cents, but on small size, it's not that good. I don't take profit, then I end up getting out for a loss. But if I size up, I can pretty much guarantee almost every trade I can get 10, 20 cents. I think I can do pretty good if I size up here. So you'll see what happened in the video. Just take a look. Really quickly, before we get into the live action, if you guys enjoy these videos, help me help you. You can do me one big favor. It's literally one big favor. Hit the like button. Just do it right now. Hit the like button. And then also leave a comment. What stocks you trade? What stocks did you look at? Or whatever you want to comment. Just leave a comment. It's not that hard. Let's get into the action. JNCE is not giving me the entry there. I was hoping for a little bit more of a spike there. Up to that 1256 would have been beautiful. Maybe I was being a little too greedy there. Put an order out there, 95. See if I get filled in this push back up to that $12 area. Get that push. Push right up there. 1194. Oh, come on. Look at BILI up there at 1485. Pulling all the way back down there to $14 now. It's not enough volume on this thing. There's a spike up there to the $12 area. I'll take 500 there at 1185. See if we can get some more push here. Get another short up there, 1195. Oh, come on, push, baby. Push up there. Give me a little bit more. I want another 500 there. See if this pulls back down there, 1145 area. All right, so looking for this to get down there to the support, pre-market support there at 1140 area. Got this stock, MOTS, jumping up big, getting halted from the $6 area up there to 760. Wow, big crazy move on this one. Volume's still low, though. Only 271,000 shares traded there, so volume's still low there on MOTS. Not really sure I want to touch that one just yet. Maybe later if it gets some action on it. It starts moving. Oh, on a side note, look who's getting healthy, boys. Lean shake. Oh yeah. 170 calories, 25 grams of protein, 100 milligrams of caffeine. We're getting pumped up here. Oh. Burn your fat. Even while you're day trading, to sit here and burn your fat. Burn your oh gosh. I got a milk mustache. All right, what's this going to do here? Put an order out there, 500 shares, see if I can get filled at 1195 area if this does spike a little bit. There we go. I got 1,000 shares now. Looking for this $12 area to hold it down. See if I can get some more here, above 12. All right, I got 2,000 shares there now. Got an 1195 average. Look at this pull back down there. 1230 is going to be my stop here. 1230. Above 1230, I'm getting out of it. Getting right there at that 1230 area. Oh gosh, I'm not covering into this. No way. I'm not doing it. I'm not covering. I'm gonna wait for this to pull back and then I'm gonna get out. Well, that was fun. Trying to see if this is gonna break down now after that just kind of short squeeze there. Thinking this breaks below 12.15, we might start to roll off, get back below $12. Come on, baby, let's go back below 12. First break to 1220 area. 1220 area break. Come on. Just get down there. It's party on. Below 1220, it's party on. Let's see, let's get down to the $12 area. Taking right there, 1216 just to lock that in there. Pushing back up on me. $2,000 kind of, I don't know, maybe at least $1,200. So if I had 2,000 shares from that $12 area down there to the 1140, That would have been an easy $1,200. I really wasn't expecting this type of big, massive push, but that's kind of just what happens when you get these crazy stocks sometimes. You just never really know. We'll live to fight another day kind of thing. I'm not going to lose sleep over it, that's for sure. All right, so I'm short 1,000 shares here on BILI. Looking for this to pull down there, possibly below $14. I think if we break through the VWAP, this thing is going to just start to really sell off here. So that's what I'm looking for. I don't know. We'll see if we get it. Let's see if we can pull down there. I had another order. I was trying to fill 500 more shares there at the 1460 area. Just didn't get filled. So now we're just looking for this to pull on down and sell off the rest of the day. That's the goal here. You can see my You can see my entries there. 1445, 1441. My average is 1443. I got 1,000 shares. So we're looking for this to head on lower now. So you can see this thing downtrending. Looking like it wants to go down. So we're going to give it some time here. I think we might see below $14 by the end of the day here. Come on, baby. Break down here. Get below that VWAP there. This will be beautiful. So BILI falling off a cliff here. Come on, boys. Let's get down there. Let's go. Breaking through that VWAP just like I wanted it to. I was trying to get 500 more shares there at the 1440 area. Couldn't get filled. And look at it now. It's dropping. Come on, go down. I got to get out of this hole. Get me out of this hole, baby. Let's go. I took 500 there at 1405. That locked me in with 500 shares. And I'm looking for this to get down there to 360s. I'm thinking we're getting down there to 360 area, right? Maybe, possibly. Should we? What do you think? I'd probably cover here. I'm down on the day. Might as well cover here. I don't know. I think we can go lower. I think we can go lower, honestly. I'm not going to lie. Oh, my God. My screen's... Oh, I've been editing the video and trading, answering the phone calls. Look at this drop there. Oh, that's just beautiful. 1380s. Taking 500 shares there at 1405. Looking for this rest. Looking for this to keep on going down. I think be down there to low day. 1363. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 250 right here. Okay. 1385. See if I can get 250 here. Okay. Looks like I got 200 there. All right. So I'll have 250 shares left now. And that should be pretty good. Let me see. Let me see if this keeps going. Okay. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Just when I thought this thing was done, just when I thought it wasn't going to go any lower, it's going lower. And that's what I like to see right here. Let's see if I can get filled here at 1376. Fuck it. I'm going to let this one ride. I'm going to let it ride a little bit lower here. I think we can go all the way down, baby. Look at this fake out here. Look at this. Just faked out right there. Up to the 1440 and then just sell, 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 sell. So that's pretty wild. Once we broke through that VWAP, it was game over. You can see how this thing was consolidating across there. 1420s consolidating. And then this little spike here, boom, the shorts piled in there. They knew if they could just pile this down there, break it through the VWAP, it was a goner, and that's exactly what they did. So I got 250 shares left here. I'm basically going to just set this with a stop there at the 1411 area, 1412, and then let this ride. That's my goal, at least. All right, I'm just going to get out there. I'm going to get out there. Screw it. I'm going to lock it in. All right, so I was literally done. I was done. I was up $500 on BILI, and I was like, I'm done for the day. And I was finishing up the video, and look at this thing. It dropped again from $14. From $14 down there to $13.30, and I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? So that was painful to see that. Well, then it jumped back up here to $13.75. And I tried to get short again because I was like, oh, I'm jumping in here. I'm gonna get back to green on the day, baby. I want to get in here on this action. So I tried to get filled, could not get filled. There was no volume there, nobody buying, nobody wanting to fill my shares. So I had to wait. We got down here to the 1350. A big buyer stepped up there at 1350, so I shorted into that buyer, and we got down here, looked at all the way to 1303 now. So BILI, you can see my orders here getting filled there at 1335, 1333. Beautiful. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, ma'am. And I mean, obviously, I would have been happy with the drop to $13, but hey, $743 there on BILI and $719 there on JNCE. We're back green on the day, baby. And obviously, you know, commissions and fees, I'm probably going to be a little red. But still, to go from being down $2,000 at one point to being down only $700 and then working my way, and that's why you have to control your emotions. You have to not care about losing, if that makes sense. I mean, obviously you want to care about losing, but if you do lose, you can't just go into full depression mode and turn it off. You have to battle back sometimes. So BLI, I mean, this was beautiful. It was beautiful. If I would have not had the JNCE trade, that would have been a $700 day. I probably would have made more, actually, because I probably wouldn't have covered as much here. And whatever. It always, you know, hindsight's always 20/20. But still, getting back green, that's really what I can't complain. Honestly, this day could have been much, much worse. I'm pretty happy. I think it was the lean, shake, burn, body milkshake thing. I don't know what you call it. I think that really was the deciding factor. It got me really hyped up here. You can see JNCE. Look at JNCE. Talk about a total punk. This thing just punked me. It punked me out all over the place. I don't know. What did I learn? You know, did I learn maybe to not short stocks that gap down 30% at least in the first 30 minutes? Maybe that's a good lesson to learn here. What is this? It's not even first 30 minutes, like the first 15 minutes. So maybe. Also, I think I learned today to not short into a big green candle like this. Big green candle, not a good idea. Don't short into that. You need to be shorting when you start seeing some selling. You can see here, selling, selling, selling. That's where I need to be shorting at the tops of these candles, at these sell pressure. Once the sellers step in, then short. Not shorting while people are buying it up and pushing it higher. This just massive short squeeze here. That was a total joke. But you can see JNCE. I mean, could have, yeah. I mean, look at this thing. It's done, baby. It's done. I told you, once it broke through that VWAP, it was going to be done. I didn't think it would actually get that low, but damn. It's beautiful. Down there to $13 now. BLII. BILI, bile, whatever you want to call it. It's done. It's over. Look at this chart. This thing is going back to zero, baby. Maybe not to zero, but it's going down. I can guarantee you that. Look at this big spike yesterday. Up there to $14, $15 area, pulling back down there now. So, I'm pumped up. I can tell you that. I'm pumped up. I know. I keep looking at it, keep trying to figure out what I could have done differently. I think really my issue here was I should have covered this first. When I was up $100 on this, I should have covered once that support was holding, that pre-market support. You can see that pre-market support there, 1140. It held. I probably should have covered there. That would have been a good idea. You know, okay, it's covering. Maybe I shouldn't have shorted right there. That might have been a better idea. Should have waited for that pre-market support to break. Maybe that would have. Who knows? But still, I was able to come back. I came back, baby. We're fighting. We're getting back to the green. And I'm going to live to fight another day. And that's really what it's all about. I'm sizing up. You know, I'm sizing up larger size. I'm going to have some bigger winners. Also, I'm going to have some bigger losers. And that's just part of it. If I want to make more money, I've got to risk more capital. And I've got to take more chances. $1,000 in a day, there's a chance that I might lose $1,000 in a day. Hopefully, you know, maybe $500. If I'm making $1,000, I want to kind of risk $500 a day. But you can see, you know, this big, massive move like this, you just get caught sometimes. I got caught. Luckily, I kept my cool, and I was able to get out for a much smaller loss. At this point, when it was at $13, I was down $2,000. So that would have been terrible. But still, I was able to keep my cool, came back. We found BLI. We found the BILI trade. We got in on that. We made it happen. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead. I'm definitely going to close it out now. Getting back on the green. I know one thing. If I ever go from red to green, it's time to close it out. Don't keep trying to make it happen. I mean, maybe BL. Maybe this BILI. Maybe BILI might break below 13 here. Oh, I'm going to stay away from it. I'm going to walk away there. And I'll talk to you guys later.